Guys, hope you have a fantastic day. Well, today is a big day. We are gonna finally paint our Niva. And if you missed two last videos, we did a lot of body work and we protect the interior. So yeah, check this out. And now we need to paint it. But before painting, we need to sand it. Then we need to protect everything that I don't want to paint. So yeah, I will not take your time. I'm gonna push the car outside to not get dust in the shop and sand everything down. I'm gonna use 150 sandpaper because it's a Raptor. It can be a rough surface. I did it before with that. It turned out really good, so I'm gonna do it again. So yeah guys, let's go.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display.
Lada is in the shop again, and I can say I am kinda liking this look. Just put clear coat and drive it like this. But yeah, everything is now sanded, everything is ready, and now we can clean everything and then we can finally start it painting. Can't wait. So whoa, yeah. So guys, I need to clean it. I'm gonna clean it with anti-silicone cleaner and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna record it. It's gonna be boring. I'm just gonna show you before I started wrapping it, how it's clean, and then paint. Can't wait, so close. So yeah guys, it's now I need to clean it, then we can protect it. Let's go. So everything is clean now. Now we need to protect all the windows, door handle, and then we can start painting. But yeah, she looks pretty good. So yeah, I don't like this part when we need to protect things. It's easier just to get the gun and go woo. But yeah, you need to do it. It would be good to see, but if you want, you can paint over the glass, why not? So yeah, let's protect it, then we can start prepping for paint. Woo!
Yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a
So everything is ready and it looks really good. So now we just need to paint it. But yeah, this looks really good. So cool. So now it's the time when you can mess everything up. But yeah, I think it's gonna be really good. This is what I decided to paint. It's just like Raptor, just the other brand. And its color, it's mixed by the same that I have on Niva, but I got a little bit darker, but we will now see if it's any good. So you get one this, I get 4 of these, but you use one, then you use one of these. It's like an it's a hardener. You put it in and then you just spray it. I use this spray nozzle. It's super wide, so it's gonna be very rough surface, but I think it's gonna look really awesome. Okay, So now it's time to start painting. Let's go.
Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So she is done and she looks absolutely amazing. Let me show you. So yeah, this turned out really, really good. She looks so good, so clean. I can't believe it, how good she looks. So amazing. Such a cool car. So yeah, the surface is rust and should be scratch proof. We're gonna test that, but it's just amazing. She looks so good. I just can't believe it. Such a beautiful color. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah guys, and I leave it. After I spray it, I wait 10 minutes, then I removed everything from the windows so that the paint isn't completely dry, so you can remove everything nice and easy. And then I leave it here closed, not on the sun, just closed for 3 days. So it had a plenty of time to everything to harden up so that you can do this and everything is completely dry. You can wait just 24 hours, but I leave it more just in case it's not that hot outside anymore, so I leave it for 3 days just to be safe. And one more important thing, I put water on the floor so the dust can get upset, it can go in the air. So I just put water on the floor so when I walk and the compressor is running, there is not as much dust as it can be, so just that. But other than that, I did it with 180 centigrade grit paper, and as you can see, it's really amazing. Just awesome. So cool. Such a good color. So yeah guys, now I'm gonna paint off the camera front and rear bumper in Black Raptor, and I need to put the whole interior back, but I'm not gonna record any of that. I'm just gonna show you the end result because she's gonna look amazing. And in the future I need to paint the wheels, but I don't have time for that at the moment, but that's the only thing left for next time. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything back together and then you can see the end result. But this is just amazing. Oh, I can't stop looking at it. So cool. Such a cool car. So yeah, I talk way too much. Let's put this together. Let's go. It looks absolutely amazing. She is done, she is completely done from inside and outside, and let me show you. She looks so good. Absolutely amazing. The interior is all back together. I was already driving, so there is some stuff, but everything is together. The seat is so far back, it's absolutely amazing. It's nice to drive, and for isolation, I just put another rubber mat that I had laying around. So I have a double rubber mat, and I can tell you it's not that much louder. I'm not gonna put any insulation. I'm gonna drive it like this. And yeah, she is amazing. But the outside is just amazing. So cool. She is completely done. I did it about 300 kilometers, so everything is good now. And the one thing I don't like about this color is you can see dirt everywhere. It's sticking, but that's the least important because she looks so good. So guys, this is it. Finally, I have a good Niva to drive and I'm really happy. Now I need to get more wood, so the first off-roading with her, I'm gonna take the trailer and get some wood, so I'm gonna put that paint to the test, and yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Chainsaws are already ready, so I need to now get it to the woods. So yeah guys, this was amazing. Now I'm doing just this Niva. That's all I'm doing. I need to fix it. I need to get it ready again. It's been so long time, and I bought some bodywork. I'm starting to get all the parts. So this is gonna be awesome. In the next video, we're gonna take the angle grinder and cut everything. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Well guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And guys, see you in the next video.